Hi there! Welcome to this video on self-signed identity claims. Here you can see I have a page, and the text says, "This page is signed by Jeremy Grant." And if I open the signatures for this page, we see we have a signature from 0xEF5B, but I have no way of knowing really if this truly is Jeremy Grant. So how can we do that? Well, one of the benefits of the PKC is that we can do what is called a self-signed identity claim. And this is really at the core of what's called self-sovereign identity. Let's have a look at this link. If I click at this link, you see that I'm creating a user page for the wallet 0xEF5B. Now, if I am Jeremy Grant and I'm the holder of this wallet, then I create a page for myself where I can make the claim, this is the wallet address for Jeremy Grant. I save this page, and now I have a user page which links this wallet address to my name, Jeremy Grant. But to make this secure and to really make sure that no one else would be able to make a claim like this, what we can do is self-sign this claim. So from my wallet address, which is this one, I can sign this page, which is something that no one else would be able to do. So here we have the wallet address 0xEF5B signing the claim that this wallet belongs to Jeremy Grant. So we know that the holder of this wallet is claiming to be this person. Later on, if I want to strengthen my claim, I can of course go to other trusted identity providers and ask them to confirm this claim of mine. And so I can add more signatures underneath to this page. And this is really at the heart of proving identity within the PKC. Thank you for watching.